Hi guys, it's me Lee from Unicorn Fairy, and today I've got my Naio nails order. So I thought I would open it with you guys so you could see what I got. And this is how it comes, just in a plain brown box with a label. Obviously I've crossed my address out and my phone number because it puts that on there for some reason. So yeah, let's get it open. So I know what I've ordered, but I thought it might be cool just to show you. I'm more excited because there's one thing in here that I've been trying to get for ages, as I've mentioned a few times on my videos. Ooh. Oh, that's a bit weird. Okay, so I got two of these, which is my acid-free primer. It should be acid-free primer, should I say? Let's have a look. Ooh, yeah. So I do like the packaging. I'll get my old one out. So this is the old packaging, and this is the new. So I think I like that, mainly because my eyes are getting a bit dodgy. So that's that. I've got two of these, and they go in my drawer. So I've got, this is one. So let's just check. Yep, another one. These were supposed to be 130 gram pots. But I've got I ordered 230 gram pots. I do like this new labelling because if you look on, like, I'll show you, like on this, I've had to take the sticker from the bottom here and put it on the top so I can know what's in the pot, you know, when you're lifting, whereas now they've changed it and all the information's all around here, and then there's a label on the top telling you what's on it, whereas this sticker is actually from the bottom here, because obviously everything goes in your drawer like this. So yeah, I've got that, so I'm really excited to try this because I've got just plain clear. Let me see if I can find that. Oh, here. So I've just got plain clear, so I'm hoping this is better than this, because this says crystal clear, so that's why I ordered this. Plus I needed clear anyway. But yeah, so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So I did order 2 130 gram pots, and I got 4 of these 65 gram pots. I'm gonna just see. I think this is supposed to be. Oh no, it's not. Oh, I don't know then. But yeah, so they sent me 4 of these 65 grams. So I've got 4 of them. And this is the product I've been wanting for ages. I've been trying to get this for ages and they're always out of stock, and I finally got it. High speed liquid. So I will be trying to do some 3D nail artwork. That's why I got this, because this apparently sets up faster. So when I do like a 3D rose or something, I will actually leave a review video. And then obviously, and this is my receipt. Hang on. And there you go. I just took my address off, and that's what it. There you go. That's my receipt. 51.67 I paid, plus $4.99 postage. It says tax, but I don't think we paid tax because I don't remember paying £65. I don't know. But anyway, that's my stuff. So exciting! But yeah, guys, so I thought I would just share that with you. A quick video of my Naio nails buy this week. And I hope you liked this video, and if you did, I'll see you all later. And please like, share, subscribe. And I hope you come back and watch some of my other videos. I'm not like all the other, you know, really good ones. But it would be nice, because I do plan to get better, obviously. So yeah, I've got a lady coming today for her nails, but obviously I won't record her because she's a new lady. And I've got my friend coming on Sunday, I think it is. So I will record whatever we do on his nails. So thank you for watching, guys, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye! I will leave links to all of the items in the description box below, and thank you for watching, and please come and watch again. Thank you.